Let us learn multiplication by lattice method. Study this example to learn to set up a lattice and multiply. Let us solve this example step by step for better understanding. Step 1. Draw a grid that has as many columns as the multiplicand and as many rows as the multiplier. Here we draw 2 columns and 1 row as shown, as the multiplicand has 2 digits and the multiplier has 1 digit. Step 2. Draw a diagonal through each box from the upper right corner to the lower left corner. Continue the lines a short way past the grid. Step 3. Write the multiplicand 32 at the top and the multiplier 5 on the side of the grid like this. Step 4. Calculate the product for each box by multiplying the digit at the top of the column and the digit at the right of the row. So, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. Place the tens digit of the product, that is 1, above the diagonal that passes through the box and the ones digit, that is 0, below that diagonal. Similarly, 3 times 5 is 15. So, we place the digits as shown. Step 5. Add the numbers between every pair of diagonals and also between the first and last diagonal and its corresponding corner of the lattice. So, here we start at the bottom half of the right corner cell, that is with number 0. This number is bounded by the corner of the lattice and the first diagonal. Since this is the only number below this diagonal, the first sum is 0. We place the sum along the bottom of the lattice below the rightmost column. Similarly, continue adding the groups of numbers between adjacent diagonals. So, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now, add the numbers between the last diagonal and the upper left corner cell. Since 1 is the only number above this diagonal, the sum is 1. We place the sum along the bottom of the lattice below the leftmost column. Step 6. The final product is composed of the digits of the sums written outside the lattice. We read the digits down the left side and then towards the right at the bottom to get the final answer. So, the final answer is 160. Now, let us solve one more example. Here, as the multiplicand and multiplier have 2 digits, we draw a grid consisting of 2 columns and 2 rows. Next, draw the diagonals continuing a short way past the grid. Then, place the numbers in the grid. After the numbers are placed correctly, we calculate the product for each box in the grid. Now, add the numbers between every pair of diagonals and also between the first and last diagonal and its corresponding corner of the lattice. Look, the sum of 9, 8 and 6 is 23. So, we place 3 below first column and carry over 2 at the top corner in the cell 0 like this. Look, we found the answer, which is 931.